Vince Pickett won to wrestle off. He's been a starter the last 2 years, for us. He's been in the starting lineup. Vince is a very, very talented kid. We're riding Vince hard right now. He's one of those people that'll make or break our team because we got some good kids, and I think Vince Pickett can be excellent. He can ride. He's got, he's unbelievable on his feet. We just have to keep him believing and keep him working hard. And I think he's going to be one of the keys to us being a tremendous dual game team as well.
I expect to go to the NCAA tournament